Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We go through the latter part of the afternoon into the evening and overnight, and more rain on the way. And some of that rain will be heavy at times, a few thunderstorms possible, so we're going to keep an eye on any localized flooding concerns. Today, temperatures will also remain chilly and damp with that rain. Flood watches for all of southeast Michigan continue all the way through tomorrow morning, and then the flood warnings are in effect for the Rouge River, especially for Detroit and Inkster, and also the Clinton River in Clinton Township and Sterling Heights. So watch those rivers closely as we get more rain through the evening and overnight. You can see some of that rain heavy, even a little wintry mix from Saginaw northward, snow in the Upper Peninsula. Rain becomes more scattered at times during the day tomorrow, even mixing with a few wet snowflakes as we go through tomorrow and into the weekend. As far as our first alert storm threat, our FAST number, it is going to be highest for flooding concerns with the rains that we've had since Tuesday, and then more rain tonight. We could see rain totals of 2 to upwards of 5 inches by the time we hit tomorrow morning. Those are totals from start to finish. But for today, it's periods of rain, some thunder, temperatures around 40 degrees. We'll be in the 30s for overnight lows, quite chilly, and a high of 47 degrees tomorrow. We work our way back into the 50s by the end of the weekend and closer to 60 by Monday. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great day.